Great. I'm starting today's counseling session, and this is largely for uh, those who are watching this live and for those who are going to see the recorded version. This is largely going to be a session where I'll be talking a little bit about myself, a little bit about the wedding industry, and of course, lots about the wedding school and the courses that we are offering for those who want to either join the wedding industry or are already in the industry and want to totally up their game. So I think for everyone to begin with, most of you know of me, but I'd still be humble enough to want to let you know that it's been 25 years of having been a very proud member of the Indian event industry. I started my career first as an anchor, then went on to conceptualizing weddings, then became a professional wedding planner and started my own wedding company with my husband. The company is called Swaha, and this we started in 2011. And thereon, of course, went on to start the wedding school in 2018 when we felt that it was the right time for the industry as we were all growing. There was very little professional training available. We would end up training everyone who applied for a job, and it would take us years to get them ready. So we decided to have something that is packaged within 6 to 8 months that is going to actually help someone understand the basics, also give them an opportunity of an internship, and give them exposure into the industry so that we have more professional players who understand weddings, who are a part of this industry. Um, of course, during COVID, we also ventured into lots of things. We started a portal called Wed Destinations, in which we would only actually showcase all kinds of amazing hotels where destination weddings can be hosted. We also started a job portal on the lines of Naukri.com called Wed Jobs. And that was primarily to help all the youngsters who had to unfortunately go back to their hometowns because of COVID, because of lockdown. So they all moved out from the big cities back into their smaller cities. It was very difficult for them to connect with those who are doing work, and we became a great platform, in terms of helping them connect with professionals. And then, of course, right after COVID in 2022, we launched our entertainment design company, which is called Naughty, under which we do lots of musicals, and we actually curate events for the industry like the WOW Awards Asia and the Gourmet Fest. These are those that we take great pride in, of having grown these brands, as marketing branding is also a very, very integral part of our team strength. So we try to put our creativity and our experience to great use, during season time through Swaha, and in the rest of the time through our brands of Naughty. Um, I think for me, it becomes really important at this point in time to help you identify, why you are listening to this video, why you watching us. You're largely doing it because there is something that you have probably seen on one of our posts at the wedding school Insta handle. You may have interacted with somebody who's from this wedding space. You might have attended a lot of weddings when you were more eager to see what the wedding planner is doing rather than enjoying the dance floor with your friends. So it's one of these reasons why we see you listening to this video and watching me live. um, it's time for you to kind of understand that, are you more inclined towards creative working? Do you understand terminologies like planning or business or social media, design, travel, production? uh, Weddings and being a part of the wedding industry largely will include all these aspects. While you get to travel a lot, there's going to be a tough life in terms of your time schedules. While you like the creative side, there are going to be too many people giving you opinions, right from the client to nowadays hoteliers to I see a lot of artists also giving free advice to planners on what should be done. So it's a lot of mental and physical strength that one requires in order to be a part of this industry. And that's what we build up over the 4 months, the 8 months that you decide to be with us at the wedding school. We started off very interestingly only in India, and primarily in Mumbai in 2018. I remember Surat, Pune se log aate the, because it's like a quick weekend drive, and बहुत easy था. फिर कोविड आया, एंड वी थॉट के स्कूल सबने बोला बंद कर दो, ब्रेक ले लो. जब बेसिक स्कूलिंग बंद हो रही है तो आप वेडिंग्स क्यों सिखा रहे हो. बट वी थॉट कि चलो ना कुछ नया ट्राई करते हैं. एंड वी वर जस्ट न्यू टू Zoom as a platform, and we said, "Chalo, why restrict ourselves to Mumbai? Let's make India our audience." And we started doing our sessions live, absolutely live, the way I'm talking to you right now, but they were online. So we didn't need students to travel till Mumbai. यहाँ पे rental के खर्चे, travel के खर्चे, बहुत hardships है. तो why not give you the same learning from the comfort of your home? इस thought के साथ we started off on our journey of online classes, but taking it live is important, क्योंकि recorded sessions में आपको अगर कुछ डाउट है, आपको पूछने के लिए नीड टू वेट फॉर द एंड ऑफ अ सेशन और द एंड ऑफ अ मंथ व्हेन यू गेट द वीकली लाइव इंटरेक्शन. Whereas we believe that these kind of education जो weddings के लिए important है, it's far better if it's a more interactive class. So we kept it live, and we would give internships. We still give internships to our students, जो कि एक्चुअली आपके होम सिटी में रहता है. धीरे धीरे, of course, the world became our audience, and I'm very proud of the fact that our students who studied with us at TWS actually, are from different parts of the world. And why not? Weddings are growing all across the world. I think what remains for us to understand is that the potential of weddings growing in India is growing in two folds. एक वो है जो इंडियंस इंडिया में रहते हैं और उनको वेडिंग्स करनी है. वेडिंग्स दो टाइप के होते हैं. वन इज अ डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग, यानी कि आप किसी और शहर में गए और आपने वहां पे अपनी शादी होस्ट की. दूसरा होता है होम सिटी वेडिंग्स, यानी कि आपके शहर में ही आपने एक एलैबोरेट शादी प्लान की, चाहे वो एक फंक्शन हो या 6 फंक्शन हो, चाहे वो 1 दिन का इवेंट हो या तो 3 दिन का. और कुछ लार्ज स्केल वेडिंग्स में सेलिब्रेशंस आजकल महीना भर चलते हैं. इफ यू इंक्लूड द डिनर्स, एंड आजकल डिनर इज नॉट अ फैमिली डिनर कि घर पे हमने बुला लिया और घर का खाना खिला दिया. आजकल हाउस पार्टीज का जो दौर चला है, तो वेडिंग्स में भी जब हम 30 इवेंट्स बोलते हैं तो एक्चुअली डेकोर की जरूरत पड़ती है. प्रोफेशनल केटरर, बटलर जो सर्विस करते हैं, इन सब की जरूरत पड़ती है. और इसके लिए बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स हैं जो छोटे प्लानर्स को एक्चुअली इन्वॉल्व करते हैं. इसके अलावा अलग टाइप ऑफ सेलिब्रेशंस होते हैं जिसमें आप सोच सकते हैं रिलेटेड टू गोद भराई, रिलेटेड टू एंगेजमेंट, बर्थडेज, एनिवर्सरीज. इन सब चीजों के लिए इवेंट मैनेजर को हायर नहीं किया जाता है, और वेडिंग प्लानर इज हायर्ड, a professional decor company is hired, a professional designer is called only to design the decor, only to design the house when you are having these kind of events. And of course Diwalis, card parties, क्रिसमस, न्यू ईयर्स, इस टाइप का एक्सटेंडेड बिजनेस भी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को मिलता है. um, एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात है हमारी इंडस्ट्री की जिस पे हम सबको बहुत गर्व है. बहुत सारे यंग स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनको ऑलरेडी वेडिंग्स के बारे में पता होता है, जो अच्छे वेडिंग्स, लार्ज स्केल वेडिंग्स अटेंड कर चुके हैं, जो मूवीज देखते हैं उनका भी एक एक्सपोजर होता है, मेड इन हेवन जैसी सीरीज देखते हैं. और हर हिंदी फिल्म में वेडिंग सीन तो आना ही है, चाहे वो धुरंधर जैसी पॉलिटिकल एंड वॉर ओरिएंटेड एक फिल्म हो, उसमें भी एक वेडिंग सीक्वेंस आ गया था. सो वेडिंग्स का एक्सपोजर आपको by default होता है, no matter which part of the country you belong to. Then, of course, there becomes that set of people who don't know anything about weddings, जिनके घर पे शादियां होती है, but those weddings are largely managed by family members. But they keep watching videos on Instagram. They watch a Bollywood star's wedding, the way the bride has walked, the way Kiara walked, the way she put up her hand, which became like a signature. Today, every bride and groom, instead of doing this, are putting up their hand and waving. So, एक trend setting, एक style बन जाती है, and that becomes somewhere the youngsters see all this, they are following it, but they don't understand कि इसको professionally भी कर सकते हैं. इनके पेरेंट्स, इनकी फैमिली भी शायद इतनी सपोर्टिव नहीं होती है. They want you to go for little more conventional work, like do event management, but don't specialize in weddings. For all of them, it's important to know that through the test of time, weddings has always succeeded as a business line. चाहे वो most recent unfortunate war हो, which is still ongoing, चाहे वो रशिया यूक्रेन के फाइट्स है, चाहे वो कोविड है, चाहे वो नोटबंदी है, any kind of disturbance has never affected wedding business. और इसका एक बिग रीजन है बिकॉज वेडिंग बहुत ही पर्सनल सेलिब्रेशन है. अगर मेरे घर में एक एक मोमेंट है, एक सिचुएशन है जिसे हम सेलिब्रेट करना चाहते हैं, नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम सेलिब्रेटिंग दैट. एंड दैट इज व्हाई उस रिपल इफेक्ट में, चाहे वो केटरर है, प्लानर है, आर्टिस्ट है, घोड़ी वाला, गाड़ी वाला, everyone gets business even in the most testing times. And that is why weddings as a profession is a great choice to have, because you can only prosper and move up in the ladder of success, of making very good money. Eventually, if you have aspirations to start your own company, it is definitely very much easier to start your own business in the field of weddings as compared to many other industry which are product driven, factory driven, more bigger strength of people required. So it's all in all very exciting a space to be in. But challenges ये है कि इतनी competitive industry हो गई है, and the bigger challenge and your biggest competitor is, you won't believe it, the client. The client today has attended so many destination weddings, big scale weddings in their own hometown. उनके घर में इतनी शादियां हो चुकी है that they know too many things, right from the internal costing to how presentations get made to multiple new ideas of couple entries. So today, if you're a fresher and if you want to directly go and apply, आपको job तो मिल जाएगी, but आप कुछ भी contribute नहीं कर पाओगे. You won't have a single great new idea. You won't know the basics, the systems, because the company will not have time to teach you. Your client will already know more things. So you will find yourself very lost. And that is why we encourage everyone to first educate themselves and then try to enter this industry professionally, because it's too competitive. आपको किसी रिश्तेदार के कनेक्शन से एक इंटर्नशिप मिल जाएगी. But what's the point of an internship if you're just going to be standing at the venue doing the most junior job, or not even doing a job but wearing a uniform and feeling you are interning, but आपको ऑफिस में क्या बातें हो रही है वो समझ नहीं आ रही है. So that is why we have these courses to educate you. We largely have two courses, the wedding planning course and the wedding decor design course. Both have their own set of requirements कि आपको कौन सा कोर्स लेना है. इस पे I have just put up a video on the wedding school, and how do you choose between the two courses. So please make sure you watch that reel. It's really beneficial and it's a quick understanding as to what is good for you. Overall, we have two kinds of courses within these two subject matters. एक है जो largely students के लिए है, those who want to just explore weddings as an industry. So there's a 4-month course which will help you get work as a freelancer. So for example, if you're studying, you have just passed out, but you're also interested in digital marketing, social media, some of them are stylists who join us. कुछ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स होते हैं जो ये भी सीखना चाहते हैं, एंड दे डोंट वांट अ फुल टाइम जॉब, नॉर डू दे हैव एन एस्पिरेशन कि मुझे खुद की कंपनी खोलनी है किसी दिन. सो देन वी encourage them to take the shorter course जो 4 months का है, which is called the live online course. इसमें 25 सेशंस होते हैं, एंड इसमें हम आपको बाकी इवेंट कंपनीज, वेडिंग प्लानर्स, डेकोर कंपनीज के साथ इंट्रोडक्शन कराते हैं, सो दैट यू कैन अप्लाई टू देम either for a job, for an internship, or for freelancing projects. For those who are a little more serious about it, सो दो टाइप के लोग होते हैं जिसे मैं सीरियस कैटेगरी में गिनती हूँ. एक जो बहुत क्लियर है अपने विजन में कि मुझे इसी इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा बनना है, आई वॉन्ट टू पिक अप अ जॉब इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, आई वॉन्ट टू बिलोंग टू दिस इंडस्ट्री. दैट्स वन टाइप. द अदर इज द वन हु इज वेरी क्लियर कि आज मैं किसी के यहाँ जॉब करूंगी या करूंगा, और विद इन 4 to 5 years आई वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट माई ओन बिजनेस वेंचर इन टू वेडिंग्स. The third, somebody who is already working in the wedding industry but was never formally trained. बस by default कुछ learning कर लिया, took up a job, and is now having major issues in coping on technical knowledge, on knowledge of how to become better in creative thinking, how to contribute towards the social media work of the agency, which is a big job today for wedding planners. And the fourth category is existing entrepreneurs. These are those entrepreneurs जिन्होंने कभी professionally कुछ भी नहीं सीखा है with regards to events or weddings. They purely became wedding planners first because they belong to a very high society. They are HNI in their own net worth. Their fathers, mothers, their parents are basically into business. And by default, they approach some relative, some cousin. They had the कीड़ा, कॉलेज में करते थे कुछ कुछ, और एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आ गई तो उन्होंने बोला चलो मैं इस वेडिंग को प्लान करता हूँ. इट वेंट ऑफ वेल. इसके लिए अब बाय डिफॉल्ट कंपनी तो खोल ली, बट अब आगे कैसे बढ़े, हाउ टू ग्रो द बिजनेस, हाउ टू ट्रेन देयर ओन एम्प्लॉयज. आप अकेले कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो, यू नीड अ टीम, but for that you need to be professionally trained to train the team. So these are the 4 kinds of students that we see enrolling for the second option that we have, which is called the hybrid course. ये wedding planning में भी available है and decor design में भी available है. इस साल हमने इस कोर्स को 8 months का कोर्स बना दिया है. Simple funda. We have increased the internship period, as we see a lot of companies all across India who keep writing to us, give us good students, give us good candidates. They require more time with you as an intern. So we have increased that. And we have also included a lot of new learnings in terms of how to adapt to AI in a big way in both the courses. यहाँ पर we definitely assist you with internship. जितने भी students को internship चाहिए, we check with them at the start of enrollment, also in the month of October, because by then you have learned everything, so you know whether you want to pick up a job or an internship. And for those who are running their business, usually they don't go for any internship. They start applying what we teach them in that existing pitch. And trust me, I have seen our students bag bigger events. जो लोकल शादियां कर रहे थे, छोटे इवेंट्स कर रहे थे, वो एक्चुअली बड़ी शादी कर पाते हैं, डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग कर पाते हैं, प्योरली बाय लर्निंग विथ अस. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ learning that one requires, and the learning happens in a very systematic way. Our courses, chahe wo live online ho ya hybrid ho, both of them happen in the same duration of 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. every Saturday and Sunday. And these are certified diploma courses where you have the best of the faculty teaching you. Who is our faculty? These are those who are actually business runners in the wedding industry. Okay, so every subject that you will learn, if you see the curriculum, चाहे वो बिजनेस हो, चाहे वो डेकोर हो, चाहे वो प्रोडक्शन हो, चाहे वो लॉजिस्टिक्स हो, some of these terms might seem like ये क्या बोल रही है. These are those subjects that you will be learning one by one, ताकि आपको हर डिपार्टमेंट का प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज मिले. In addition to that, this year we are also offering checklists and SOPs to our hybrid students, which are downloadable files, which will come handy to them, not just for this year, but for years to come, because they have been made with years of expertise being put together. Then, of course, one will ask the most obvious question, okay, where can I work after doing these courses? So your job opportunities lies with a varied lot. I know a lot of you will be surprised to see artist entertainment, photo, video, social media. मतलब आप wedding planning सीख रहे हो और आप उसको कहाँ apply कर रहे हो? Then the answer is yes. We actually have had students who have gone ahead and started their own photo video company. Now, understand this, they are not professional photographers, but they understand that to run a photo video company, the one who's filming a wedding, you need to have the sensitivity and understanding of a planner and a business sense. And then what you need is the team of people who will actually shoot this rightly, edit it rightly. But the sensitivity and awareness of what a bride and groom want, that comes from a wedding planning course. So we have had our students who actually, two of them, who have started their own business, and it's been 4 years and they're running it very successfully. Um, Someone has ventured and joined a choreographer. Somebody has become an artist manager. Somebody was asked to do the job of assisting in client servicing and also managing the social media page of the planner. So there is so many such interesting opportunities that you get if you take up the wedding planning course. As far as decor design is concerned, इसके दो हिस्से होते हैं. एक है मैक्रो, यानी कि बड़ी चीजें जो आप डेकोर कंपनी के एंगल से समझते हैं, एंड द अदर इज कॉल्ड डिजाइन. Sorry, did my share screen stop?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The other part becomes the design, which is very focused towards making a certain space look really good. A decor design is something new to our industry. Only post COVID इसका ट्रेंड बहुत बड़े लेवल पे ब्लो अप हुआ है, और इसके लिए इसमें कंपटीशन फिलहाल कम है. Within the next 2 years, the competition over here is going to be skyrocketing, and you cannot become a part of a decor team anymore by just knowing someone. You need to have your basics right. So even if you pick up the live online course, which a lot of students do, and then eventually they upgrade into the hybrid course, I still recommend, it's a great idea. If you're not very sure if this is good for you, you can always start with the live online course, and within 5 sessions, you're given the option to upgrade. In both the courses, we definitely teach you all the basics. And in terms of decor, in terms of production, in terms of technicals. Okay? इन सब का पूरा निचोड़ आपको सिखाया जाता है, अगेन बाय फैकल्टी जो खुद टेंट हाउस ओनर्स होते हैं, डेकोर कंपनीज चला रहे हैं, decades and decades of experience hota hai unko. And of course, some subject matters are taught to you by experts. For example, florals. For example, designing a space, making a layout, small propping. इन सब के स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं. दे रन कंपनीज जो सिर्फ वो लिमिटेड काम करते हैं, बट उनके बगैर कोई डेकोरेटर काम नहीं कर पाता. So that's really how you understand our decor design course. I remember a few years back, we started getting a lot of requests from companies, जो decor companies hai, across India. And they would tell us, कि, you know, you're training everyone in wedding planning. I need somebody जो decor समझेगा, जो डिजाइन करे कि ये जगह कैसी लगनी चाहिए, इसका फर्नीचर क्या होना चाहिए, what should be the couple stage looking like, entrance arch के options क्या है, newer things जो bride Pinterest पे देख रही है. I need a team that can compete with my bride and match her expectation. And that is how we started our decor design course. And I'm very happy to also share with you the fact that AI has become a very, very effective part of helping designers design spaces and making a client visualize what the decor can look like. So we have also decided to include AI. Last year हमने एक teaser एक session रखा था to see if the students are able to cope with it, are they enjoying it, and now we've made that 3 sessions for us to be able to teach all the students more of how to design a theme, make a mood board using AI. So a lot of tools that are taught to you, and बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्पेस है. अगर आपको एक स्पॉट पे फोकस करना है, अगर आपको लार्जर पिक्चर देखना है, इफ यू वांट टू बी इन चार्ज ऑफ द एंटायर सीन, want to have control on how the hotel is going to be servicing you, want to have control on airport pickups, want to have control on what we are telling the guests through WhatsApp communication, then you should go for the wedding planning course. And if you're very happy, okay, this is my lawn, I have to design this square, this rectangular space, then you should go for your decor design course. And in this also, there are multiple job opportunities that we offer as the wedding school. चाहे वो फैब्रिकेशन हाउस हो, इसमें से कुछ टर्म्स आपको नहीं समझ में आएंगे. डेकोर रेंटल, प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस, some of you may not understand it. It's absolutely fine. That is the reason why you need to join the wedding school, so that you learn each of these. You can't call anyone a decorator anymore. There are so many parallel verticals that are there. It is not that simple, and it is not ghar ka khata कि आपने कर लिया. You have to be absolutely professional, and these are those who make us our best. Some of our faculty pictures, our students. So this is how we maintain a certain decorum in our online classes. We have a lot of our student pictures here. You're given a name tag so that people can address you by your name. Keeping your windows on, videos on at all times is mandatory. You're also made to present, do a share screen, and make your presentations so that you're actually getting practical knowledge whilst you are also implementing that practical knowledge. And of course, eventually you get to go on field and work. A lot of our students have gone on international destination weddings only as interns. A lot of them have ended up becoming a partner with the company that offered them an internship. And within 2 years, they were offered a partnership. So sky is the limit. And our teaching is limitless in a lot of ways. We are very happy to help nurture good talent and give them opportunities that will make them very self dependent, and make them that strong that they are in turn able to help at least 4 more people in their team. So that's a bit about what we do and how it will benefit you. And those who benefited from it are here on your screen right now. These are some of our students. Sonal is actually somebody who was a choreographer, and she came to know about us. और वो planners के साथ connection उसका अच्छा था. And she would realize that so many things are there which she wants to do, but because she's only a choreographer, she's not getting any control on it. And that's when she decided to get into wedding planning. Now, the interesting part is she thought wedding planning seekungi, wedding planner banungi. But eventually she started enjoying the sessions on decor more. And she's today working with a company that is managing banquet spaces, jahan pe she has to use her management skills, but she also gets a chance to work on decor. So सोचा था क्या क्या हो गया. These are the kind of options, opportunities to open up होते हैं जब आप ऐसी कुछ education लेते हैं. Then you come to know, oh, I can also do this. Meera is somebody who was working in the corporate space for a very long time. Then she went on a sabbatical and she re-entered the industry by doing the course with us. And she and her partner Hetal run a very successful wedding planning company in Mumbai. A lot of my friends have been there in her weddings as guests, and they feel like, really proud that we are giving good training to our students. Siddhant is somebody who was running a company with 4 partners. उन्होंने कंपनी स्टार्ट की थी, 6 महीने के बाद ही हर्ड अबाउट अस. उसमें से 2 पार्टनर्स ने उसे डिस्करेज किया कि हमें जरूरत नहीं है सीखने की, हम 4 काफी है, हम सब काम बटोर लेंगे, वी विल मैनेज आवरसेल्व्स. बट ही वाज इंसिस्टेंट दैट नो, आई वांट टू लर्न इट प्रोफेशनली. And within in the tenure of doing the course itself, he bagged his first destination wedding at Mayfair property in Guwahati. So that is how quickly a student recovers the investment that they make. It's not fees you're paying, you're literally investing in yourself. Vishal is a great success story. He was a freelancer and he had worked as a freelancer on a Swaha wedding project. And my team happened to tell him, कि और सीखना है professionally, तो join the course. And in a matter of, I don't know, a year, he started his own company because Udaipur mein wo opportunity hai. Somebody in Mumbai, I will not encourage you to start your own company. I'll encourage you to work because competition बहुत ज़्यादा है. Udaipur has lesser competition. Chances of you prospering as an entrepreneur within 2 years of having started your business, the chances are more higher. So you have to be very mindful of how you pick up and why you choose a certain path. These are some of the top companies of the country where our students go for internship, and they all call us back asking for more because they're very happy with the training that we give them. So we are also absolutely happy. So that's it from my side. Thank you for listening up and watching this video, and happy to connect with you all, and happy to have you enroll for our course very, very soon, which begins on the 20th of June. Saturday, Sunday are the classes, and of course, admissions have opened. So we look forward to you also joining us as a part of the TWS tribe. Thank you.